Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a masterpiece of modern engineering and timeless design, Jaguar's highly anticipated 2025 E-Type. This reimagined classic brings an exciting blend of retro charm and cutting-edge technology. Let's take a closer look at everything this car has to offer, from its interior to its exterior, performance, and of course, pricing. Stepping inside the 2025 Jaguar E-Type feels like entering a world where heritage meets innovation. The cabin is a seamless mix of luxurious materials and futuristic features. Premium leather upholstery with contrast stitching pays homage to the original E-Type, while the dashboard boasts a fully digital instrument cluster that offers an array of customization options. A large, high-resolution touchscreen serves as the command center, integrating Jaguar's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in AI assistant. Ambient lighting enhances the driving experience with colors that can be adjusted to your mood. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, offering heating, cooling, and memory functions. Jaguar has also ensured ample legroom and clever storage solutions, making this a surprisingly practical sports car for everyday use. Now let's move on to the exterior. The 2025 E-Type pays homage to its legendary predecessor while adding modern twists that make it undeniably contemporary. Its long, sweeping hood, oval grille, and iconic headlights maintain the classic silhouette, but updated LED lighting gives it a futuristic edge. The car features lightweight aluminum construction, which not only enhances performance but also accentuates the sleek body lines. From the aggressive front splitter to the aerodynamic rear diffuser, every detail is crafted to optimize airflow and Jaguar offers the 2025 E-Type in a range of stunning paint finishes, including classic British racing green, metallic silver, and deep crimson, ensuring there's a color to suit every taste. Under the hood, the 2025 E-Type offers a range of powertrains, catering to both traditionalists and modern enthusiasts. For the purists, there's a refined inline-six engine, delivering smooth power and a satisfying grip. But for those who want cutting-edge performance, Jaguar also offers a fully electric variant with dual motors, producing up to 600 horsepower and instant torque. The car is equipped with advanced suspension and dynamic handling systems, providing a perfect balance between comfort and agility. With a 0-60 mph time as quick as 3.8 seconds in the electric model, this E-Type is not just about beauty. It's built to perform. Jaguar's engineers have also included regenerative braking in the electric version, allowing for more efficient energy use without compromising the driving experience. As for pricing, the 2025 Jaguar Type starts at around $120,000 for the base model with the inline-six engine. The fully electric version, packed with all the latest tech, begins at approximately $150,000. Additional customization options, including exclusive trims and bespoke interiors, can push the price even higher for those seeking a truly unique experience. And there you have it, an iconic nameplate brought into the 21st century with style, performance, and luxury. The 2025 Jaguar E-Type is more than just a car. It's a celebration of history and innovation. Let me know in the comments what you think of this modern classic. Is it worth the hype? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.